asleep. Mom and Dad are still up talking. The day he started lifting his hand, every time he became unsatisfied. His anger had such an appetite. I love you, Mom, and I wish he'd stop, so she'd make him mad to raise his hand to her. So brave, so sad. I guess that father never knew exactly what he had. She got the call at school. Mom would not be home tonight. Oh God, was she alright? In truth, she had been hospitalized by her dad. It felt so strange. It was so sad. I guess that husband never knew exactly what he had. And his daughter was so brave, and she was forced to stay and say it all. Man, and I hate you, Dad. You can burn in hell for all I care. And I hope it's hot, and I hope you're scared, and I hope the devil meets you there and says, hey, you're not going anywhere. And says, hey sir, take a seat. It's very fair. And I know it's hard to process through, but men like him need forgiveness too. But for now, if it cannot come from you, it's okay from his lips. It's just excuse saying, hey, I never meant to. Only sorry, Dad, you didn't, that's the sad truth. Tomorrow me and Mom and the boys will be leaving you.